Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Porsche Cayman front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a T30 Torx driver, trim removal tools, and a small hook. Ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and supported on jack stands. For easier access to fasteners, you might consider removing the front wheels, though it is not always strictly necessary. Having a friend assist can also make the process smoother. Next, focus on the lower section of the bumper. You will find several fasteners connecting the bumper to the under trays. Remove these using your T30 Torx driver. Carefully pry out the side marker lights with a trim tool and disconnect their electrical connectors. Then, remove the Torx screws holding the fender liners in place, allowing you to pull them back for access. Now, move to the top of the bumper. Open the front trunk and carefully pull back the trim around the hood latch to reveal 3 Torx screws. Remove these. On the left side, disconnect the headlight washer fluid line if your car has this option. On the right side, disconnect the wiring harness for the fog lights, ensuring all electrical connections are free. For the final steps, use your small hook tool to slide out the retaining clips located between the bumper and the fender on both sides. Before pulling, double-check that all wiring harnesses, fluid lines, and fasteners are completely disconnected. With everything released, gently pull the bumper cover straight back and off the vehicle. Place it on a soft surface, like a blanket, to prevent any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.